Payment gateway fees na lumalaki. Online payments are convenient, di ba? Pero alam mo ba na habang lumalaki ang sales mo, lumalaki rin quietly ang mga fees. So si Jessie at saka si Ed, meron silang small neighborhood pharmacy. Yung sales nila steady lang. And on the outside, things seemed fine naman. Nag-offer sila ng maraming payment options, digital wallets, credit cards, payment apps, delivery platforms, para convenient daw sa customer. So during our call, Jessie said, parang ang liit ang natitira, Mami N, after all the expenses namin. So tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, na-check mo ba kung magkano yung actually na binabayad mo sa payment fees? Mami N, maliit lang naman yan, mga percent lang, sabi niya. So chinek namin yung lahat ng kanyang mga channels at doon nagulat sila. Yung akala nilang maliit na percentages, kapag pinagsama-sama pala every month, malaki pala ang kinakain sa kita. Almost a full chunk of their earnings were going straight to fees, quietly, consistently, and hindi nila nanonotice for years. Ang problema is that these fees scale with your sales. So the more you earn, the more they take. Kaya hindi mo napapansin until you feel na parang ang konti na lang nang natira. Most business owners never question these charges because they are hidden in small percentages. Kaya ito yung ginawa ni Jessie at ni Ed. Connect nila kung aling payment methods were the most expensive. They kept all the options but they guided customers toward the cheaper ones by making them more convenient. Ed also talked to their main payment provider and asked for a lower rate na based sa kanilang steady sales. So for small purchases, they highlighted the no extra fees option tulad ng cash or the lowest fee wallet. And after a month, napansin nila agad, mas malaki na ang natitira. Alam mo anak, just a few changes brought back money that had been leaking for years. Kaya audit mo yung payment channels mo this month anak ha. Every small percent na nasa-save mo will stay with you, hindi sa mga payment channels. Kaya let's be business-minded, Pinoy.